Is the iPhone SE 2020 still worth it in 2025? Subtitle: Welcome to Techiato. Are you thinking about buying the iPhone SE 2020 in 2025? Well, you're not alone. With newer iPhones costing a fortune, the SE 2020 might seem like a budget-friendly option. But is it still worth it today? Let's dive in. Welcome to Techiato, where we sip through the tech one bite at a time. The iPhone SE 2020 came out 5 years ago, but it's still holding on. Why? Well, it's running iOS 17, the same software as the newest iPhones. That means you still get security updates, access to the App Store, and compatibility with most modern apps. It's rare to find that kind of longevity in a phone under $150 in 2025. Let's talk design. It looks like an iPhone 8 from 2017 with thick bezels and a home button. In an era of full-screen devices, it feels like a blast from the past. But for some users, the fingerprint sensor and compact size are actually a plus. Under the hood, the SE 2020 has the A13 Bionic chip. It's not the fastest anymore, but it's still snappy for everyday tasks, social media, YouTube, emails, even light gaming. Just don't expect it to keep up with multitasking or heavy apps in 2025. The camera. It's a single 1.2MP lens, but with Apple's image processing, it takes solid photos and good lighting. Low light is its weakness, though no night mode here. Battery life is probably the biggest letdown. A full day. Unlikely. If you're buying this phone now, plan on carrying a charger or a power bank. So, is the iPhone SE 2020 worth buying in 2025? Yes, if you're on a tight budget, need iOS, and prefer smaller phones. No, if you want modern design, better battery life, or a future-proof device. For some, it's the perfect second phone or a great gift for parents or kids. For others, it might feel outdated and too limited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us, would you buy the SE 2020 in 2025?